So guys, you can see that this is the next part of our video, how springs are made. You can see that in our previous video we have read about grinding, coiling and many process which are done by a spring. And in this process we are going to tell about coating and finishing. So guys, if you want this type of videos, then please like and subscribe our channel how it's made, and also press the bell icon so you can get all these type of videos on time. So let's start our video and hope we will cover this video in this part in our video. There you can see that coating and finishing. As a final touch, springs are usually finished with some type of coating, plating or finishing process. In finishing processes, the spring surface undergoes additional steps to help combat erosion, lend new properties to the spring, or simply improve the spring's overall appearance. Some examples of common finishing processes include the following: short peening, number second is plating, number third is powder coating. And there are also variations in spring manufacturing. There are many variations: extension springs, compression springs, and third one is torsion springs. There you can see that custom springs manufacturing processes: tapered springs, conical springs, hourglass springs. These are some types of springs which are used in different things. There you can see that the what are springs made of, how the material which is used for spring, high carbon steel alloy and stainless steel also. Stainless steel is used because when stainless steel is used in springs, then they will be able to do corrosion free, and the spring life will be very high. So let's do and see that what is in this paragraph. Short peening. Short peening is a finish applied to cooled worked. In this process, spherical shots are shot at a wire, resulting in compression stress and forming layers of compression dimples. As a result, the material's surface harden, making it more resistant to the fatigue, corrosion and cracking. Number second is plating. In this, I think that plating is done on spring, and then powder coating is also done on spring material which is coiled in our upper steps. You can see these steps in our previous video. Finish add a final level of functionality of spring to springs, lending new properties or simply preserving the spring longevity for the final users. Variations in spring manufacturing. As mentioned previously, the specific manufacturing processes for springs varies based on the types of springs being created. Springs may be made with or without coils, and the presence of a coil and the spring's use will determine the types of manufacturing process involved. There you can see that extension springs, compression springs, or torsion springs are types of some springs. Custom manufacturing spring manufacturing process. The spring manufacturing process will vary based on the type of springs involved, but it may also vary in cases of custom spring design. Custom spring designs are often needed in unique manufacturing applications where a specific spring shape, material, and finish is required that falls outside normal specification. In these cases, clients work closely with coil spring manufacturers to develop, design, and manufacture the spring in question. In addition to above spring types, spring manufacturer may also create a specialty spring like tapered spring, conical springs, or hourglass springs. These are also some types of spring. What are spring made of? It is a question. Now that we have covered how springs are made of, it's time to answer another commonly asked question about springs: what is a spring made of? Springs are made of different types of metals configured into round wires. The specific types of metals are separated into three primary categories: high carbon steel alloy and stainless steel. Number first is high carbon. High carbon is used in springs. Number second is steel alloys. Steel alloys mainly used in springs. Steel alloys are another common choice for springs and include materials like chrome silicon, which is often used in large springs. While more accepting of high temperatures, these materials are still prone to corrosion than stainless steel. Stainless steel is also used in springs. So guys, this is the process of manufacturing a springs, how springs are made. Its video is completed in two parts. So So if you want this type of more videos, then please like and subscribe our channel how it's made, and also press the bell icon so you can get these type of videos on time.